Oh, you went the other way. How weird is that? I'm going to keep videoing this for a little bit because it's been funny watching people get fucked up. Aye, aye. I'm just hoping that a train might show up, to be honest. I'd love to see what happens to if a train went down here. Look at it, it just disappears into nothingness. It has been like this for a couple of days now. Why can't a train show up? That would be amazing. Watch a train fall into an abyss. Not something you see every day. Come on, someone. More people. Come on. Hang on, I'm going to change hands because that's getting quite sore. Come on, where's a fucking train when you want one? Oh, I can hear a wagon. Let's watch what happens to the wagon. Check this out. Goodbye, wagon, and all your people. Hey! What the hell is going on, man? Is that not the weirdest thing you've ever seen? I'm going to pause it just now and hopefully we will see a train. I'm going to sit here for a while and continue watching people fall, but I'm just praying that a train comes along here at some point so we can see a train falling into this weird abyss. I'm actually tempted. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for a few more people, hopefully the next guy on horseback that comes along, because the last couple of guys rode into the blue and they both smacked their heads off the beams that you're seeing sitting there. It was quite funny. You even hear them scream as they fall down this little abyss. But I'm just hoping a train comes. A train would just be amazing. That would make my day. It's so weird. Look at that bit. See in the top right how it appears? There you go. I'm hearing somebody. Oh, but you guys don't want to go across that way, do you? No. They must know something I don't. That's quite weird as well, I think. There isn't even a track there, a trail. Yeah, they're going down and underneath the train tracks. And back up to the top. How creepy is that? That's just weird. How come they know that there's a glitch there? That just doesn't seem real. Oh, come on, a train would just be spectacularly funny. I've completely forgotten what I was in the middle of doing. I don't know what mission I was in the middle of doing, but I saw this here again. It appeared a couple of days ago. I thought it had gone, but it's reappeared again. It's in exactly the same spot. And this goes all the way around from this side of the train tracks to the other side, just north of... Oh, what's the name of it called? Emerald Station. It's just north of Emerald Station. From there, all the way around the side of the cliff, you've got this giant pile of blue abyss. It is weird. Okay, I don't think I'm going to get any more guys on horseback. Oh. Oh, here we go. Oh yes, it's another trail. This will be funny. Let's watch this guy. Uh-oh. Oh, and look, he's stuck. Look at that. How weird is that? What are you going to do, partner? Damn you to hell. That's brilliant. Oh, fantastic. Anyway, I'm going to pause it just now. Probably getting bored of watching this. I could watch this for a while longer, but I'm just going to keep my fingers crossed that maybe a train might show up. And if that does happen, I'm going to record again, don't you worry. But yeah, that's a weird glitch.